I'm going to be unboxing or unpackaging. I think these are iPod or iPhone connectors I bought a few weeks ago from 1saleaday. I think it was just $1 for 3. So it came in pretty well packaged. Bubble plastic, but it has bubble wrap. And here's the 3 cables that came in. I'm very surprised. It's packaged really well. And so if I cut this open, it'll reveal the USB cable for an iPhone or the older one, not the new lightning cable. This is the older one. So it's 3 for $1. It's really cheap, but it just took a long time to ship. I think it took 2 weeks to ship, and then another 2 weeks for them to finally get delivered. So maybe it took a month or something. I need to check my emails. And it was shipped UPS mail. Probably UPS ground. So there it is.